First of all, we would like to say that we are beyond thankful for everyone that supported us throughout this whole experience for us. And yes, we did get a lot of prizes, but that was due to our dedication and perseverance in this conference. First of all, we got the award of distinction, which means first place in overall performance, which is a huge, huge deal. Then we placed second in the research and preparation category with an award of excellence. And it's actually the first time that this delegation gets that award, so that was a huge achievement for us. And then myself with my partner Paulina Perret, who is currently still in New York for personal reasons, we placed second in our committee, UNICEF, representing Iraq, and we got the award of excellence for that. So we can't hide our smiles because we're so happy because of the results. It was just so amazing. It was an amazing experience. We don't have words to describe what we felt in that moment. It was just, yeah, unforgettable.
There were times where I felt nervous, but at the end of the day, we all felt excited, and we're all here happy today to present all these awards, as you can see, and we're just very happy to bring these prizes to Aruba. Yeah, definitely working with the people, going alone for me personally, and then going there and winning these prizes. And for me, I felt super proud being able to be a part of this team.
It was a very intense 3 days. You'd have to wake up very early and they would finish very late at night. It's a conference where you can't stop thinking. You have to be on your feet and quick at all times. And that's what we felt. Of course, we were nervous, we were tired, we were happy, we were nervous. Like we would forget to eat because of all the adrenaline that was going through our bodies. But in the end, these are the results of those feelings that we felt in that moment, which is perfect for us.
Any plans for next year?
Yes, of course. We are planning on going next year once again, maybe bringing back even more prizes, and we would like to say that these are not only prizes and awards for us as a delegation, but it's for Aruba. This is something that we have won for Aruba, and it just makes us feel so proud that we get to represent our island in the best way.